Hey folks, this is Mr. Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I'm sitting out here today at the location of our Florence Lauderdale Farmers Market. Today it's empty, I'm the only one here. But on sale days, this place is bustling. I rode by and decided I'd stop, pull out my recording equipment, and just tell you a little bit about what we're doing here. What I've got here is what I think is 6 of the 9 hot sauces I've got available. I've got the Alabama Green, the Fresno Rehab Fresno, the Little Garlic Lemon, the Little Orange Apple, Smoking Japones, and Peach Fresno. I want to tell you folks, I love selling these things on our website at alabamahotsauce.com, but I really love this farmer's market. I like talking about hot sauce. I like talking about the process of making hot sauce, and the people seem to like to hear it. Our sales here for the first 4 weeks we've been operating have been exceptionally successful. Each week we sell dozens and dozens and dozens of bottles of nice, fresh, artisan-made, small batch Alabama hot sauce. So folks, join us at the farmer's market on Saturday. We're here from 7 a.m. until 1 p.m. Let's talk about hot sauce. Let's look at hot sauce. Let me explain these hot sauces to you, and you're going to take some home. Again, our website is alabamahotsauce.com, and I appreciate you folks for coming. Thank you.